Cell biology is the study of the fundamental unit of life, the cell. Both AP biology and IB biology emphasize this topic because it underpins all other biological concepts. In this video, we will explore cell theory, structures, and processes that make cells dynamic and essential. Understanding cells helps explain how organisms grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment. This foundation is critical for success in exams and future scientific learning. Let's begin our journey into the microscopic world of cells. Cell theory is one of the cornerstones of biology. It states that all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in living things. All cells arise from pre-existing cells through division. Modern biology adds that cells contain DNA and that energy flow occurs within cells. This theory unified biology by showing that diverse organisms share a common structural basis. Microscopes revolutionized biology by allowing scientists to see cells. Light microscopes use visible light to magnify specimens, while electron microscopes provide much higher resolution. Transmission electron microscopes reveal internal structures, and scanning electron microscopes show surface details. Advances in microscopy continue to expand our understanding of cell biology. Without these tools, the discovery of organelles and cell processes would not have been possible. Microscopy remains essential in both research and medicine. Prokaryotic cells are the simplest types of cells. They lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Their DNA is found in a region called the nucleoid. Bacteria and archaea are examples of prokaryotes. Despite their simplicity, they perform all essential life functions. Prokaryotes are incredibly diverse and play vital roles in ecosystems. Eukaryotic cells are more complex than prokaryotic cells. They contain a nucleus that houses DNA. Membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, chloroplasts, and the endoplasmic reticulum perform specialized functions. Eukaryotes include animals, plants, fungi, and protists. Their compartmentalization allows efficient cellular processes. This complexity supports multicellular life and specialization. The plasma membrane controls what enters and exits the cell. It is composed of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. This structure is described by the fluid mosaic model. Membrane proteins aid in transport, signaling, and structural support. Selective permeability maintains homeostasis within the cell. Without membranes, cells could not regulate their internal environment. Cells rely on transport to exchange materials with their environment. Passive transport includes diffusion and osmosis, which require no energy. Active transport uses ATP to move substances against concentration gradients. Endocytosis and exocytosis allow bulk transport of materials. These processes are vital for nutrient uptake and waste removal. Transport ensures cells remain functional and responsive. Organelles are specialized compartments that perform distinct functions. Mitochondria generate energy through cellular respiration. Chloroplasts capture light energy for photosynthesis. The endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus handle protein and lipid processing. Lysosomes and peroxisomes break down waste and toxins. Together, organelles make cells efficient and adaptable. The cytoskeleton provides structural support and shape to the cell. It is composed of microtubules, microfilaments, and internal filaments, or rather intermediate filaments. These structures also aid in intracellular transport and cell division. Motor proteins move along cytoskeletal tracts carrying organelles. The cytoskeleton enables cell movement, such as in amoebas or white blood cells. It is dynamic, constantly reorganizing to meet cellular needs. The endosymbiotic theory explains the origin of mitochondria and chloroplasts. It proposes that these organelles were once free-living prokaryotes. They were engulfed by ancestral eukaryotic cells and formed a symbiotic relationship. Evidence includes their double membranes and independent DNA. This theory highlights the evolutionary connections between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. It is a powerful example of how cooperation shaped life. Cell biology has many practical applications. In medicine, understanding cells helps diagnose and treat diseases. Biotechnology uses cell processes for genetic engineering and drug production. Research in cell biology drives innovations in cancer therapy and regenerative medicine. Knowledge of cells also informs ecology and evolution. Cell biology is a fundamental topic for AP and IB exams. Focusing on understanding cell theory, structures, and processes will really help you do well on these exams. Practice drawing and labeling diagrams as they often appear in assessments. Use flashcards to memorize organelle functions. Apply concepts to real-world examples to deepen understanding. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.